And I'm the man who killed the Avengers. It's all dead now. I felt it. The whole world too. Because of me. I didn't do all I could. I wasn't tricked. I was shown. It wasn't a nightmare. It was my legacy. The end of the path I started. So.